Hey, Trophy. What you doing? Oh, bird watching, huh? So, would you even know what to do if you caught a bird? I'm curious because you've never actually met one. How do you know they're not friendly or not to be eaten? Or you know you're supposed to eat them, right? Yeah, you got to eat the whole thing if you kill one. Just a heads up. Mm-hmm. It's like the law of the jungle. So, what do you say? Get your harness on, go try and chase some birds. You think you could get one? I don't think you could. Just because I don't think you could. Well, you you enjoy this bird watching. I'm gonna go back to work.